Do, do, do. Right, let's get the zoomy on. Do 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 do. Right, wicked. Let's get that on. Morning. Right, wicked. Annotation tool. Bob's your uncle. And there we go. Right, cool, wicked. Good morning, everyone. So, go to here. London session to the members. And welcome everyone on YouTube. Right, so let me get rid of this indicator over here. I could take this off here. Wicked. So welcome everyone. We're doing a fresh analysis. Looks like Asian pushed down over here quite nicely. Let's wait for people to come in, then I'll start doing it. Yeah, looks like we pushed down quite nicely through Asian here. 3 o'clock was a nice push. Okay. Right, let's get this up and running. Okay, wicked. So welcome everyone. Good morning. All filling up over here. Let me do a little post. Looks like GJ's making a little bit of support right now. Okay. Right. 1 second. Just got some things over here. Wicked. So, welcome everyone. We've got a lot of people filling up in Zoom over here. Gold closed above on the 15-minute. Let's take a look. We will quickly take a look at that. But we have to see. Okay, let me get rid of this time zones. Fresh analysis over here. So yeah, let's just start with gold. That's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so gold on the daily time frame over here is bullish. The last one was bullish as well, so pretty obviously bullish over here.
Most certainly, look, Ronda Rousey is smart. You know, she's nasty, but she's smart.
Someone's got some UFC on in that bitch. And then the 4 hour over here is also bullish. Nice. Let's take a look at the hourly. Hourly's coming up. Let's take a look at the 30-minute, 15 minutes. So it looks like for me, there's kind of support right around this area, which is on the daily flip area, 1793. We have had a 15-minute closure above, so this was kind of resistance as well, like right around here. We have had a closure. Let's take a look for some zones that we could potentially go to. So if we've closed above over here, where should we potentially continue to? Well, we should continue to 1798. I think that could be good. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute though looks a bit choppy for me. It's not the best price action, so I think waiting for some 30 minutes or hourly closures is going to be better for me. Look at the last hourly. Last hourly was a doji candle showing a bit of indecision, so I kind of want to be careful over here. I'll take a look back at that in a second. Just let me look at GJ. I think people in the Telegram were talking about GJ this morning. Let's take a look. And looking at the chart yet, all pairs seem to be pushing out of ranges, looking good right now. Yeah, we're pushing out this one. Gold looks good. That was good, yeah. So Jay said, yeah, gold looks good to push to 1798. Exactly what I just said. You guys waiting for the closure above? Looks good. Look good. I like gold. I think for me though, it's just a bit of these candles. These wicks are a bit choppy. It's got 6 minutes left for the 30 minutes, so I'd rather probably just wait for that closure, I think. I was going to ask if you'd consider NY sessions on YouTube for the week, since they're an empty slot and you could gain some subs. Nah, I want to keep that private for the mentorship. It's a good thing to have as private. There's already a load of NY sessions anyway. Yeah, I think it's best to not do that. So daily on GJ is a bearish. The 4 hour is bullish. So two contradicting time zones. So I kind of want to be focusing on GJ sells over here really. When the 4 hour flips again, I think that'll be pretty good. 41 people in here. We're filling up nicely. So what am I going to be waiting for? Well, potentially I want some resistance to form to then drive it back down. For me, there is resistance right at this point. 155.333. It looks like it's been respected on the 15 minute. We've just got some bullish closures starting to make a little bit of support, but I won't be looking for many buys really. I kind of want this 4 hour to then flip and then continue back down, which hopefully should happen towards 8 o'clock. Looking at ranges to fill over here. I want to look at the 30 minute. Let's take a look. So it has just tapped this zone. I can see this. So first targets when we come back will be filling these wicks up, which is all the way back down to here. Sign. And if we do break these lows, where we're looking for, well, the next resistance was here. So this could be a target, and then furthermore, these supports could be a target. So what I'm looking at here is just where price came down and made a bit of a support. So let's just zoom over here. Price comes up, comes down. This is kind of where the support area is. You could put it there as well, but for me, there's a little one here. So kind of good zones to go for sure. But I'm waiting for some resistance to form, I think. For buys, probably not going to be looking for buys really, because the daily's so bearish already. I think looking for buys would be a bit silly. I think try and keep a look over here. Good morning all. Oh, we got someone took buys. Let's take a look over here. We got some charts to look at. If you're in Telegram as well, make sure you look at some charts. Anyone looking at any pairs as well? I'll take a look at GA as well in a second.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Actually, why you guys couldn't see me? There we go. Wow, okay, so we got a GJ over here. You actually took it by. Wow, so ran 10 pips, you looked at the rejections and you just went for it to fill the zone back up. Looks pretty good. Looked like it worked. You must have closed some profit over here, because now it's gone back to your entry. But wicked. So yeah, when you're against higher time frames like that, you need to be in and out very, very quickly, because as you can see, you've just retraced quite quickly. Look at the 5 minute now. Looking pretty mad. Yeah, hourly's flipping again, so I'm looking for sells for sure on GJ. I know there is a little bit of rejection here, but I think the volume should be good. So that was good. You got a nice trade there, Adnan. Nice. Let's take a look at Jayan's chart over here as well. Let's take a look. Okay, so looking for resistance to form here. Closes above, then close back in the range. Looking for sales. Wait and see how London opens. Yeah. Wicked. I think that's true. Keep it simple. I think waiting for sales is going to be pretty nice. But if price does come up over here, then that's fine. I still want to wait for the sells for me. Yeah, let's see where this 30 minute closes over here. So this 50 is going to close in 2 minutes time. These wicks, we always talk about these wicks. I see them quite often. Normally kind of rejects. You have them here as well. You have them here as well. Kind of showing that I may be rejecting the highs over here. So have to be very, very cautious. So not the best price action yet. I know I can see Asians move down quite a lot, which is fine. It means there's a lot of volume, so hopefully we can continue that. Let's take a look for news as well. News is all good. News is all good. We are having an easy day today. Easy day for news. So yeah, 15-30 minutes. This looks a bit chalked. I just kind of want some nice strong candles to then get some sells. I'm just going to put this actually here. Yes, sir, I followed your rules. Nice. GA is on fire, waiting for a pullback. Oh shit, let's take a look at GA. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to drop a like on the stream. If you're up early in the morning, let's take a look. GBP AUD. Oh shit, yeah, Asian's been really, really nice. Damn. So 4-hour flip, daily flips. Let's get rid of all this. Start it again, fresh, just like we do on all the other pairs. So daily running out nicely over here. Daily flip, okay. 4-hour flip is here as well. So very, very, very bullish over here. 30-minute, 15-minute. Literally just continue. Look, can you see these 15-minute? The 30 minutes don't exceed the lows of the previous, and they just continue up nicely. Very, very nice. Now, where's it coming? Well, it's coming to a zone where it could be finding some resistance over here. So in about 20 pips time. They could also find support here as well. So waiting for some resistance to form, and then some support to form would be quite nice to continue GA up. I mean, it's looking pretty good. It's coming towards this traffic though again, which is not the best. I don't really like that zone, but for sure GA should continue up and fill this range up. Oh yeah. Max check on GU. Let's take a look. Let's take a look over here. So yeah, the price action for me on gold is giving me a bit of a caution. These wicks and stuff are just a bit ooh. Let's take a look at GBP USD then. I need to drink my cup of coffee tea as well, because I'm not having cold tea today. Hell no. Right, daily bearish as well. So it looks like a lot of momentum came through Asian. I think we've distinguished that. It's a lot of momentum through Asian over here. It's been pushing quite hard. 4-hour. Oh yeah, 4-hour looks pretty rangy over here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, not the best, I'd say. I'd say it's a bit oof, oh my god. If you're trading GU, good fucking luck. Holy shit, that looks awful. So for me, you kind of want to get rid of this range. You want to be clean candles. So for me, sells below 1.36410 would be quite nice, and buys potentially above this zone over here. So then ride it to the tops. But you can see we are just in a range over here. There should be no trades taken in this range. Look at the price action. Not the best. Big wicks, small bodies. So identifying them is what you need to be doing. I am patiently waiting for GJ to give me something over here as well. So this gold is going to close again. Sorry, it did close again. Bearish. It didn't close in the zone though, which is a bit promising. But as I said, the rejection wicks as well aren't the best. But the 30-minute has closed above. Okay, the 30-minute has closed above. Ooh. So what potentially could be happening right now is this is coming down over here, tapping the zone. If this kind of then flips and starts maybe exceeding like this zone above these wicks, this could potentially come up to then fill the range. Maybe. So it's just the 15 minutes against you, to be honest, and the hourly hasn't closed, and the wicks here are a bit bad. But yeah, 30-minute closure above, not too shabby. Not too shabby. And yeah, beautiful. Yeah, yesterday on our NY stream, we didn't take any trades either. We waited for gold, and gold provided us with a little bit of an entry, but it kind of ran off straight away with not much of a top wick over here. I think it was in the 15-minute. Let's take a look. Why is my stream say I have no data? Oh, there we go. Where was it? Yeah, right about here we pushed off pretty much instantly. Right here. But I wanted a closure. So what I identified right here yesterday, guys, is that we were in a solid range. The price action yesterday was not the best. You look at Raj's story, you look at everyone's story, it wasn't a good time to trade, okay? So therefore I was cautious. If this was a good day, I probably would have taken buys exceeding these highs. But because I was very, very cautious, I was waiting for a closure. We finally got it. The 5-minute then reduced all the way back, so I wasn't really comfortable taking that trade. But it looked like it ran off quite nicely here. Like 20 pips with a 20 pip stop. not too bad. But yeah, I was very, very cautious yesterday on the streams because I knew price action wasn't the best and didn't want to be taking any shit trades. Who took some shit trades yesterday? Buy or sell GJ now? Nothing now. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. We're here every single morning. And subscribe as well. If you guys haven't subscribed, just drop a subscribe. It takes 10 seconds. It takes 10 seconds. So yeah. Patiently waiting in the zone, you know. You can identify zones here. So this is the resistance, this is the support. Don't really want to be trading in this zone until we get a nice, you know, strong bearish like candle like this. Then the next one make the top wick and then the drive like that. That's what I want. Projections. To go and continue, which will then flip the higher time frames and be delicious, because the hourly at the moment has exceeded the high, is making some bottom wick, so you have to be very, very careful. Who's on this morning? Where's Finny boy? There he is.
That legend.
Hello, how are you doing? Did you take any trades yesterday? Yeah, I'm good, man.
Nah, I didn't. Nah.
Good lad. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Don't take any.
Taking some today.
I fucking hope so. I hope so. But yeah, yesterday was not the best day for price action. But you said on the Telegram you'd be taking loads of trades today. So that's good. That's good. I'm glad you didn't take too many.
Wait, what did I say?
I think you. Let me check.
I just said that it looks like there's some good stuff lining up.
No, not today. I mean yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. Yeah, no, I didn't do anything.
No, I said yesterday. Where was it? Yeah, you.
Oh, yes.
Honestly,
yes,
myself and Ben would have been balls deep trying to make trades work tonight if it wasn't for
yeah.
That's true,
We
though.
would have been.
Yeah, exactly. The only thing that we saw was the gold, but I was a bit cautious just because the price is a bit shit today. But that would have run nicely. But apart from that, there was nothing really on GG. I think someone got some nice sells later on, but you know, just a chalk day, and then you have to leave that shit. Just have the day off, just get a pint and chill. Right, Samantha, Max. Someone I know called me a trader noob because I post FOREX crypto billionaire motivation thing on my status stories. Why he called me noob? Don't worry about it. It's just someone just trying to troll. Just post whatever you want to post, man. Don't worry about it. So yeah, GJ's coming up over here. Nice. I mean, I'm still not going to be taking them because, you know, I'm heavily bearish today, like this. Unless we're making some big hourly strong candle. So I'm going to wait for the hourly to give me a bit more confirmation, I think, and then I could potentially look for buys. So if we get closures above on the hourly, then I may take some buys. But for me, I want that confirmation with the hourly. Yeah, don't worry about that. Calling you a noob. Everyone will call you a noob. Yeah, I think closure above on the 30-minute is going to be a bit more. 15-minute is going to be a bit weak for me, especially because we're so highly bearish. So I'd rather wait for this hourly and the 30-minute to close. So yeah, lunch session opening at 7 AM this month. No. Well, maybe in your country. I don't fucking know, man. I can't be asked to talk about the times going back again. I'm so confused with it. I don't fucking know. Some countries have gone back yet, some countries haven't. So it's like, I don't fucking know. It's a pain in the ass. Pain in the ass, mate. I'm just checking this 5-minute. Yeah, it's a bit relaxing over here. But it's good. We're nearly here for London Open. Just gonna bring us some good volume over here. I'm waiting for it patiently. Just watching this gold, because I'm liking on the 30. If we start flipping and exceeding over here, I do like it on the 30. It's just the hourly's just a bit. Ooh. 4 hour looks good though. 4 hours really, really good. In my opinion. Hey, I got magic keys and trades like your style, and I need to know what is your method of calculating lot size. I create a set lot size for the month. set lot size of the month, keep it for like that way. So yeah, I have London session at the same time, 10 a.m. Yeah, so I think some people's clocks have gone back and forward. Yeah, so Magic Key is just I just set the same lot size for the whole month, and then change it every month at the end of the month. That's what I do. It's what I do. Yeah, yesterday we did our giveaway for the mentorship. Tolly won 120 quid, so that was pretty good for him. That was pretty good. Yeah, gold over here though, just chilling. Ooh, look at that! I'm liking this. Tapping some zones and going nope. Give me that sell-off, man. But you know, this is what you expect. So since since like 4 o'clock, it's been chilling. Really, it hasn't really gone too far, which is good. Kind of gives you a bit of a breather. You know, we had a lot of Asian here. Like, look how far this ran. Yeah, so through Asian, like 60 pips. So you know, a little bit of a pullback, and then to continue with London is what I'm expecting. So let me just mark this a bit more. I'm probably going to be looking for buys above here, but I'm going to be wanting an hourly candle to do that with me. So let's just take a look over here. $155,339. But I'm wanting a closure on the hourly time frame, just to give me that extra support. If I'm going against the higher time frames, like the daily, I want to be very cautious of that. Gold looking to flip. Oh shit. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Oh yeah, this could be a good option. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Oh, it's just closed bullish as well. I might take this, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Where's my thing?
Yeah, I just took it.
Nice. Okay. Oh, fuck off. There we go. Wait. There we go. Nice. I'm in this trade now, guys. So, I can't really call it, but I'm in this trade. My stop loss is pretty fucking sexual. So, my stop is around about 10 pips over here. So, yeah, people in Zoom, I'll write this signal out now, but I think you should be okay over here. What I'm liking is the 5 minute closing very, very strong above. We should continue above now. I'm gonna hold a full 10 pips, I think. Actually no, I'm going to cut off 50% if we do exceed these lows back in the zone. So 1794.7. Take off 50%. So what I'm liking, every time I see these 5 minutes with no top wick like that, it just shows a lot of bullish confirmations, a lot of bullish structure. So yeah, if you guys haven't entered yet, that's all good as well. Maybe exceeding these wicks, 1795.85 could be pretty good as well. We'll have to see. So yeah, I want to be managing my risk, closing off quite a lot of my position at 6 pips, so pretty happy with that, and see if we can continue. If not, then that's good. Yeah, I think this lower wick here is pretty solid. We've got a nice zone to fill as well, but if you can't, I'm gonna have to manage risk over here. We'll have to see. Looks nice. The 5 minute makes support. Stop loss under. Let's see. Yeah, boy. 30 minute play over here. So so what I'm waiting for here is, if you do tap the zone, I don't want it to come back to the zone now. I've already done that, so I will be cutting off 50%. So I'm always managing the trade, unless they're going to be taking off 6 pips. I already risk half on gold anyway, so you know, managing my trade beautifully here. That's what I want it to do. Yeah, man. GA and Asian on cash rate news looks insane. Ah, the cash rate news is what it did. Nice. Cash rate news. Okay.
price did you get in at there, Max?
So I got in around about 1795.44. So here.
Oh, righto.
Right out, mate. Yeah. I'm looking at it on the 30-minute. The 15 isn't the best, I don't think, but I'm looking at it on the 15 over here. But I'm managing risk, you know. Our stops are so tight on gold that when price does start to move, like the amount of trades we've had recently, where we just fly for 50 pips, I'm happy to take these little small losses over here if we do. So, you know, it's all about the managing. So 1795.4. Our stop is pretty nice. It's not even 10 pips really. So 1797 is what I'm. 1797.3. And then furthermore, if we do continue even further, yeah, 1798.3. Wicked. We'll have to see if we can continue. How long left now? So this 15 is closing. It's closing above though, so you know it's still kind of in my favor. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I quite like it. Oi oi little Raji, I'm in from 1786, but no one cares. No, I care. 1786, nice, nice. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All I'm thinking about is how to manage my risk though. So actually need to put that on the chat as well. So take off 50% at 1794.68. So right around the zone. I don't really want to be coming back there. I'll do 66. Always managing the trade, because the only thing you can that's the only thing you can manage. You can't do anything else. So 15-minute did close doji here. Not only too asked, I'm looking at the 30 now. I want the 30 to rip off, boy. And if it can't, then that's fine. Towards 8 o'clock, we've got a lot of volume coming, so all Gucci. Let's take a look at some of the pairs while waiting here. I'm also keeping an eye on taking off 50% over here, so get ready for that. Get ready for that over here. 1794.6. I'm just making the lower wick of this 15 though, which is fine, but I don't want. I'm looking at the 5-minute to always manage the position. That's all I'm doing. Okay. So let's take a look at GJ over here. GJ hasn't closed above, so that's all good as well. I'm still waiting patiently on GJ to finally give me some options for some sells, but it's just chilling in this range at the moment. That's all Gucci. That's all Gucci. Let's take a look. So still haven't needed to manage risk yet, which is great. Hopefully now we can start to get the push for the 8 o'clock. 13 minutes left of this candle. Now I want this candle to push now, boy. And if it doesn't, I want to be managing risk very, very quickly. 31 likes, guys. You guys haven't liked the stream yet, and you're here for every single London Open. Make sure to come and like the stream and subscribe, all that good stuff. We chilling. Go on, 5 minute now. You've made the lower wick now. Blast off, you pussy. And if it can't, then it's good. Oh shit, what the fuck have I done there? Oh, the magic keys. Where are the magic keys gone, boy? There we go. The magic keys need to be on with me at all times. Yeah, we're just sitting here in around about like 2 pips drawdown, so that's fine. I mean, this is good. This is good shit. Now, I like the 30-minute closure above. Now we should be goody. GJ is pushing. Pushing where? Down or up? It's just in this range. I need some nice resistance to form to then continue back down, or I need closures above. That's all I'm looking for on GJ, GU in this range as well, GPAUD as well. Just chilling. He just chilling, boy. Come on, flip that candle, pussy. Flip this candle. Right, so yeah, still gonna just thinking about my stop. Yeah, I think that's all good. I think it's still goody. I think that's still goody. Still, so I'm always looking at how to get out. I'm not looking about the gains because the gains will come. It's always how to manage the trade, and I don't want the price to come back to this zone because we've rejected it once here. We shouldn't come back down to it. You get me, bruv. You get me. Do 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 do. So coming down over here, coming down, coming down. I'm gonna close 50% very, very soon. You'll see me do it. Very, very soon. Do do. Nearly hitting it. Nearly hitting it. Nearly hitting it. Nearly hitting it. And that is what you can control. So that's what you do, boys. Right, here we go. I'm closing half. Closing half there. Wicked. Wicked, 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 wicked. And now I'm waiting patiently for the 15 to exceed the low, and then that'll be it. That'll be the trade for gold. And unfortunately, didn't have enough volume, which is mad. The 30-minute closed above. We made the bottom wick, started flipping. If I want to re-enter, I will happily re-enter, but I'll wait until we get above 1795.85. That's what I'll do. So at the moment, I've taken a beautiful 7 pip loss on gold. Bearing in mind that's half loss. So that's like a 3.5 lot on GJ. I'm actually worried about the London Open in 30. No, I'm quite happy about the London Open. I think that's going to give me a bit more volume to kind of push this bitch up. But I'm going to be cautious about this hourly. I want the hourly to close above pretty solidly. So to see over here, but I'm not asked now. Closed off half, don't have any risk on the table really, so I'm not really too bothered. Let's just see for GJ now, guys. So let me just tell people. And then leave the rest running. Beautiful. So while this gold is just fanning about, I am waiting for this closure over here. Hey man, thanks for the stream. You mentioned that it was a buy stop. Maybe I know if you have already entered this trade. Yeah, so I did a buy stop for people who didn't enter yet, because that's what I wanted, and then it flipped back up and then entered your buy stop. So what was your question? Thanks for the stream. You mentioned that it was a buy stop, right? May I know if you have already entered this trade? Yeah, I did. But if it flipped up after I said buy stop as well with this candle, so. Yeah. Do you mark out? Hello, bro.
Yeah, sorry. Can I ask a question?
Yeah. Of course you can.
Oh yeah. Okay. So the we are waiting for the flip of the 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Candle, right? I see. So do we wait for the break of this high, or as long as it flips? Yeah.
So it kind of depends on the stop loss. For me, I wanted to get in a bit closer to the flip, but it depends on what you're thinking. So for me now, I'd be waiting because this is quite a choppy area here. I'd actually wait preferably if we exceed these highs 1795.85 to then continue up. So I'll be doing it on exceeding its highs, because what I'm looking at here is this. One second. This resistance, these wicks. So if you get it or exceed these highs over here, it's a lot cleaner to fill up. That's what I'm looking at.
All right, thanks, man.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All good. So 8 minutes.
You just missed a trade that went south. So
this fucking spin. Went south.
Sorry, mate. Benny just got in Discord.
It went north, bro. It went north. Nah, still in it. Wait, I need to keep this bitch on because I am still in this, just about anyway. Where was I getting? Like here. But yeah, it looks like it's not much volume, to be honest. Same with kind of GJ over here. The volume in London is a bit poor at the moment, but that is all good. So once we get this 30-minute closure here, if we close back in this range in 7 minutes, then it's not looking good for buys on gold. Looking at price action's a bit tedious over here. GU is continuing to be in this range. That's completely fine. Don't want to be in this range. Maybe wait for yesterday's high on gold to have been broken. Let's take a look over here. yesterday's high. Potentially, yeah. 1795.8 for sure. Let's get this cup of tea 1 second. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. And yeah, wow, just a lot of, look at the 5 minute over here, just kind of chilling. That 5 minute here looked like it was coming off and it looked good, so I was happy to take that. Now it's close to 8 o'clock. Hopefully we can get some volume in for 8 o'clock. GJ, I do need the closure above over here to then even contemplate buys, but at the moment I'm still quite bearish on it, because look, even though the 4 hour is bullish, it's quite close to flipping. It's only like literally 6 pips away from flipping the 4 hour. The daily, heavily bearish, so keeping them into consideration, I'm going to be chilling. And yeah, this still hasn't exceeded my lows yet on the 15, so if this starts running up over here, I may add some lots on that bitch, but if not, that's good. What I'm really looking at here is if this 30-minute candle closes above. So if it closes back in the range, so if this red candle right here closes like that in the range, then the range should be filled up, okay? But if it closes above it, then it's still respecting the zones. So I mean, if it closes above like here, then that will be pretty interesting. If not, then that's Gucci as well. Ryan Thomas, oh shit, man. Thanks. I just realized that the UK's time is now 3 hours behind my time instead of 2. Yeah, just the clock's going back, man. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. We're ready for London Open. We've got 100 people before London Open. Holy shit, that's pretty good. So make sure to like and subscribe if you guys are new here every single day, starting off the week with a little bit of a risk managed gold here. See if I buy 1796.3. Yeah, for sure. I'm focused on this 30-minute time frame though. And the hourly, I want the hourly to close above these. So look at the wicks. The wicks are a bit shite over here. So really rejecting these highs. I'm still very bullish on gold though. I look at the 4 hours, the dailies, they all make sense. Pretty good over here. Look at the daily as well. Daily looking Gucci. So not really too bothered. Still very bullish on gold. GJ faking out. GJ screaming and faking out. In 4 minutes time it gets a closure. It could be pretty good. Obviously the hourly needs to make a nice lower wick, so that'll give you some momentum here, and we'll have to see. So 4 minutes time left. If it closes like this above, like this, the wick below like that, that could be pretty solid to then wait for the lower wick and then to continue. Seen this happen a lot, but waiting for confirms, yeah. Well, you know, price still hasn't closed above this resistance yet, so for sure, be very cautious. $107 people in on a Tuesday. Sheesh! 107 people. Damn, we vibing over here. Took a nice risk managed trade on gold. Still in this at the moment, but I doubt it very soon. I think I'll be out of it. But very good stop that I had there with a 30 pip, 40 pip gain. So I was happy to take that loss for sure. Yeah, GJ 2 minutes left. Very close. Very close. And now my gold is out. Gold is out. Look at this, rejecting the highs. This is going to be a fake out on gold over here. So 50-minute closing back in the range. It would be a big fake out on gold. Manage the risk absolutely deliciously. So for me, that trade, I risked. Let's just take a look over here. So I risked £250 and I lost 165. So beautiful. 2 minutes now. Look at this. I mean, a huge fake out down to the downside. That's all good. So I'm going to be leaving gold over here. Look at the hourly closing below. Like, look, this is the hourly resistance right here, and it's closing below now. Damn, son. Do you mark out key levels in GJ? I think they've trading IE 156, 155, 154. Not really. I just focus on where support was being, where resistance has been, etc. How many pips do you lose in the total in your gold trade? I lose like 8 or 9, I think. I had a 12 pip stop. But then I use half risk, so that's like a 4 pip stop on GJ over here. And normally my winners in gold are like 10, 20, 30 pips, so they're like full winners on GJ. So I like that. Good risk management for sure. So I managed it like 7 pips over here. Because full TP was 10 and I closed half at like 7. So I did this minus 8 pips. Bosh. Wow, so what's happening here on GJ? Oof. Oh my god. Rejecting them highs, guys. Rejecting the highs, we're flipping the 4 hour. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so what I'm waiting for here is, so we've got the resistance we're wanting, we've rejected the highs. You know, we've got a zone to fill. It's around about 15 pips, I think. 14 pips, and it continues 37. I think potentially waiting for some strong closures, wait for the top wick, and then we'll have to see. Look at the hourly. So the hourly, you know, this price action is not the best. Not the best, I'm not gonna lie. It's not clean, it's not nice, it's just a bit all over the place, so being very cautious. Okay. So, I mean, as long as you make this top wick, ooh, looks like we're driving down over here. Pretty much instantly. Continuing the bearish movement. So where could your stops be over here? 10 pips. Okay. I think as long as you make a bigger top wick over here, we could be good. Is it going to make that top wick though? I don't know. Look at that hourly. Oof, the hourly closed bullish. Last one, that's a bit annoying. 30-minute closed bullish as well. So, you know, because I've got 30-minute the hourly against me, what I'm wanting is a nice top wick and then the flip and exceeding the lows. Okay? That's the only thing I want, because the wick over here is going to reject these highs and then continue down. It looks like it's going to push down over here. But we'll have to see. Let's take a look. Yeah, like 20 pip zone. Nice. Nice risk management on gold. Thank you very much, Kevin. For sure, man. That's all this is. Oh, look, we're dropping here. Yeah, it's just going to fly. Holy shit. Holy smokes. Should we get a 10 pip stop over here? I think there's still a lot of movements over here on GJ. I'm waiting for maybe another 15-minute closure below to continue the sells. Pretty nice. Coming down over here. Beautiful. Look at this momentum starting to come in. Look at that, rejecting them highs as well. Holy shit. So, wicked. People are getting in here right on the 8 o'clock and would be eating. Stop loss to break even now. I wouldn't really want this candle to flip now, so that's what I'm waiting for. So for me, I'm going to be waiting for sells below 155, 104. If I can't get in a bit higher up, then I'm going to wait for the big break of the lows here. Then that could be juicy. But look, the hourly has made a little bit of top wick. But the only issue I see here is, you know, price is coming down. Is it just making the low wick to then flip and then continue bullish? Just like the last one did. That's my only concern with GJ. The 4 hour is on our side. The daily is on our side, which is good. You know, looking towards the left on the 4 hour, we've got clean candles coming down. So we should be good. We should be good. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But people in a trade already.
Came back hard.
Did it?
Oh, it came back down, I should say.
Fucking hell. Yeah, well, it closed back in the zone, innit? was like, nope.
Yeah.
So we always know, like, when it closes back in zones, we should fill the zones up here. So it could potentially come back down. So it's flipped the daily, it's flipped the 4 hour now. Damn, yeah, not the best on gold, but see, so people trying to get in. So where do we get in? Like around about like here. If you try and hold us on now you're in 26 pip drawdown just because you think it's gonna go up. You have to manage your trade. So you know, someone will be in 26 pip drawdown, and I got out of -8 or 7 pips. So that's what you gotta do, man. So resistance is forming on GJ. Quite happy with that. Actually, the hourly here is a bit choppy. Choppy. Yeah, GU choppy. GA needs to make some support. Has closed back in this little range though. Should fill the range up, really. Brother, what is your sell target in 1 hour? What does that mean? Like, how far do I think it should go? It depends on the day. Depends on how clean the candles are to the left. It all depends. Wow, we've got 114 viewers on Tuesday. Holy smokes. Make sure you guys like the stream and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Let's just write down our first trade of the week. A losing trade over here. This has happened 2 weeks in a row now. First trade of the week losing, and then last week we didn't take any more losing trades after that. All winners. But I'm not going to jinx that today. Trades called. So trades taken. Gold buy -7 pips. Oh, no, 8 actually it was. Gorgeous. Beautiful. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this 15 minute to close, I think, over here. We're rejecting the highs. That's exactly what I want, exactly where resistance was. So as long as we start to continue down, I think we could be in for some nice sells. Nice sales. 114 people. That's mad. We're flying over here. Anyone else looking at something? People in Zoom. Let's take a look. 21 people in Zoom. Have you guys found anything? I am patiently waiting for GJ now. So gold, I mean, the gold closes back down from the support over here in 9 minutes time and then makes the flip. We could continue down, and I actually might be interested in that, I'm not gonna lie, unless it doesn't push down too far. 24 pips, 50 pips. Holy smokes, this shit's flying, boy. So 9 minutes time, potentially doing something like this. Price going up, tapping the zone, and then whew. But if it already does this move, then there's no entries we can get in. And look at GJ coming up now, so pain in the ass, really. Still wouldn't have hit 10 pips over here, so I'm being very, very cautious in this range. It's a bit of a shitter range, to be honest. If this 5 minute just flipped though, should be good. I'm gonna wait for this 15 closure. I only trade gold nowadays. Might be a slow day for US and even NY session. It's been a slow start to the week, but that's good. This is exactly what I expect after a really, really big week. Which broker do you use? IC Markets. IC Markets, the fastest, the best in the game. So coming up over here, and this is going to be a break-even trade. There you go. So not really asked that I missed that trade over here. And now starting to run up. Holy shit! Look at this volume on gold of GJ over here. Holy shit! So this is what I was worried for. Look at the hourly now. It's made a low. We're continuing. Yeah, so it's not the best. I'm going to be very, very cautious. I'm waiting for closures above and closures below. I'm not playing in this range. So this range for me is a no trade zone. Be very, very cautious when trades are looking like that. So yeah, we had any subscribers today? I need to check. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We get a nice Wolf of Wall Street GIF. Haven't seen it today. So just give that subscribe and a nice little whack. But yeah, beautiful risk management, guys. One of the things I used to learn from Raja streams especially was the risk management. I wouldn't really go back on the trades he won. I'd go back on the trades he didn't win. And I would look at, you know, how is he managing the risk? Because that's all you can do. Throughout that whole session, throughout the whole time we were in that gold trade, all I was basically talking about was how to get out, because that is what you should be doing. How do you get out of these trades? So closing back in the range here, 7 pips stopped, then continue. Damn, that's ran nicely. GJ is some X game shit. Look where the candle is. It's just doji in around the 4 hour, which is quite interesting. So look at the 4 hour. What does the 4 hour show right now? It kind of shows indecision, because the body of the candle is very, very small and the wicks are very, very large. So it shows indecision. Oh, we got another subscriber here. Thank you, Gareth Clark, for subscribing. Wicked. So yeah, I'm keeping that into consideration. Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is very, very rangy. I want to make sure we get a closure above or below, and if we don't get that, then that's good. We're taking the trade today. We're waiting for NY session maybe. 6 minutes left though. If we do get a closure above, it's going to be looking good. We're rejecting the lows again, so pretty solid. And what zones could we do if we get a nice closure, okay? So if we do close above, where's the next resistance? Well, there starts to come resistance right around this area. Oh shit. So, you know, clean candles all the way up. There's a little bit of resistance here, but at that time it will be up 10 pips nearly anyway. Furthermore, there'll be another resistance right here. So all I'm doing is, you know, when resistance breaks, they go to the next resistance or support. So I'm looking at places where they can reject. Also here is another one as well. So these are the zones that I'll be looking at. And these will be TP, like TP1, TP2, TP3. That's what I'll be looking at for sure. Same for sells. The sells, all I'm looking at is if this support breaks, where's the next support? Well, what I did was I looked on the lower time, the 30 minute. If we break below here, we've got clean candles all the way down to these lows. So, you know, I'm very, very fluid. I'm looking at targets from both angles. But I just know that this range in here is a no trade range. First time watching, bro. Subscribe. Love the vibe and positivity. Is it only GJ and gold you trade? No, GJ, gold, and GA. That's what I trade. But to be fair, I don't really take that many GAs at the moment. Still getting used to it, to be honest. Our main one is GJ. GJ last week was gorgeous. We took 8 trades, 7 winners, 1 loss, and was very, very nice. So I was happy with that, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, gold over here, really rejecting them highs. Look at that. So it's done the whole move down in the 8 o'clock candle. Shee! Look at that. So, you know, I always say, you know, when you get a closure in, to be honest, what was this setup, right? So if I didn't take them gold buys, right, what does this setup look like? I'll show you. What does this setup look like, hey? Look at this. Now, is that not pretty much identical? So, you know, price is coming in, closes above, sorry, then closes back in the range. This is the confirmation. Wait for the top wick, and then this is the entry candle. When we get in the entry candle, the 4 hour flips with us. That's exactly what this does. So that actually was a gorgeous move. And I probably would have been in that if we didn't take buys. But for me, you can't switch. So if you try and take buys in gold, you're gonna have to give it like a 30-minute period to look at for sales. I can't switch too quickly because, you know, that would be just confusing to you. You'll be, you know, second guessing yourself. It's gonna be a bit hard. So for sure, I always relax with stuff like that. Right, wicked. Looks like we're coming down over here. Let's see. 3 minutes time. We're getting a closure below our little support here. Nice. It's looking pretty good. Finally getting some proper moves. So just writing where we could possibly go. So, you know, 154 850 could be pretty good. 154 700 and then 154 350 is what the zones I marked out on. Beautiful. So look at this volume now. Yeah, boy. Shorted 156 350. Nice. You got these highs. Don't switch like till. So 2 minutes time. Let's take a look over here. So the hourly now coming down to these wicks. The 4 hour is really, really good. The daily's good. This is going to be a nice solid candle. Wicked. Only news I'm worried about is GBP monetary policy statement Thursday. Yeah, so probably just leave that there for sure. That's what I'll do. So 2 minutes time. Wicked. I mean, if it does get a close below here, then we're going to be looking pretty nice. A lot of bearish momentum. I'm liking this now. Did price wick people out here though? Yeah, it would have. So this is kind of like a liquidity pullback to then just continue down. But that would have been a break-even trade here, so I wouldn't be in any trades anyway, even if I took that trade. So now waiting for the closure here is going to be wicked. For sure. 55 likes, guys. Let's try and get some more likes up in this bitch. Let's try and hit 90 likes, 100 likes. But what time is it now? So it's only 8:15. We've got a lot of time over here, so pretty good. Let me just see. Let me just see GJ. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So getting a closure around about where I'm looking to take some entries very, very soon. 30 minutes coming down, the hourly's coming down. So we've got all time frames in our bias, yeah? So that's really, really good, solid thing you need, really. My issue is we haven't really closed below. So I'm going to have to be patient. Hopefully we can drive down in the last 30 seconds over here. A bit further down, right around like 104. So then when we get the flip and exceeding, we can push off. And start dropping. So where's the 4 hour going? Well, you know, to me, where is the 4 hour going? It's going all the way back down to these lows. Clean candles. Wicked. So another bearish closure. Nice. But we didn't really close below, so you know I'm going to be cautious. If you get in here, it'll be a bit risky. Probably going to wait for the 30 over here because it's too close to the next support. So that's what I might do. That's what I might do. Is GA continued up? Let's take a look. GA has not. It's just chilling, which is completely fine. It's done quite a big move anyway. But I'm going to be watching this very, very closely. 14 minutes left of the... Ooh. Quite spontaneous, quite impulsive. So that is not the way I trade. I'm going to wait for this closure for sure. And if this runs off, that's completely fine. But I've seen this move happen numerous times. If you go on my Instagram, you know, the bigger the candles, the better. You don't have to be worried and missing moves. Sometimes I'm going to miss moves, that's fine. But for me, I'm going to be patiently waiting for this closure. And if it doesn't, if it just runs off here, that's fine. Because if I got in here, my stop loss is 15 pips. If I got in here, where's our stop's going to be? Well, it's going to be 20 pips. That's too big for me. I like 10 to 12 pip stops on GJ. So I'm going to be waiting 30 minutes time for the closure. And also take into account that waiting for the 30 minutes is going to give you a bit more confirmation because, you know, this is a zone of rejection. So I really want the closure to give me extra support. Thank you very much, Linroy, for subscribing to the channel. That's amazing. So yeah, waiting patiently. If you go on my Instagram, it's normally my main moves I take over here. Like look for some sells. Look at that. So look, waiting for that closure patiently. Wait for the top wick and then the drive down. That's what I'm looking for here. So this candle, I want it to close below and then to continue down. Yeah, that's all I'm looking for. Because I've seen it happen a lot. I've literally got evidence of it working. Loads of data to back it up. So that's what I'm waiting for sure. Because this is a rejection area, even though it looks like it's going to come down, you know, you don't know. This is the thing. You need there's a difference between confirmation and thinking. Like if you're just thinking it's going to come down, that's fine, but the probability of that working is quite low. Could you please explain? So please take a look at GUs. Take a look. Ooh, yeah, GU looking interessante. Yeah, same thing for GU. I think if you get a closure below, because the 15 hasn't closed below, so you know it could just react here on the support. I think waiting for the 30-minute to then close down could be pretty good. It could be pretty solid. Oh shit! I've just seen this. Oh my god. I'm paying attention to gold over here.
I mean GJ, sorry.
There's a zone over here. Holy shit, this is looking pretty good, guys. We've got a closure back in the zone. We should fill the zone back up. It hasn't got a bottom wick yet. If we flip this candle, oof, close back in the range and go as you say. Yeah, I think this could be a good opportunity to continue, maybe. So yeah, closing back in the zone. We've got the higher time frames with us. This candle flips here, then pushes down. I think this is going to be good. We've got 10 minutes left. That's beautiful timing. So let me just do this over here. So I think this could be we've given it already half an hour, so that's in my kind of zone. Close back in the range and go as you said. Yeah, I think it could be pretty good. So 1792.825. It's tapping the zone where I want it to reject, right at the zone, because this is support. This should be resistance now. It should tap it and then start flipping. That could be pretty solid. So 1791 to, yeah. So like here, 1790, and then 1787. So very nice, very nice. And if this is my last trade on gold, then wicked. So I've got a sell stop over here, right here. Because if we're rejecting these highs, we should then continue and fill the range up. And what I'm wanting to see is this candle to make the top wick. The top wick right now is, you know, 9 pips. That's beautiful. I'm happy with that. If it comes up to maybe like 15, then I'm going to take it off because it's coming too high for me and I want a nice stop loss for my second trade over here. Took a sell on GN gold. Thought, yeah, I think if gold flips over here, you're going to be good. 30 minutes should continue down for sure. Let's take a look at the GJ over here. 9 minutes time, just waiting for that closure, being very, very patient with it. For sure. So yeah, this is going to be the area which is going to be interesting. I'm looking for. So the good thing is normally our stop loss on gold is 20 pips, so I'm happy taking 2 trades in gold, for sure. So we'll have to see. This is where I want it to tap and then rinse off. If it comes up any high and starts closing the zone, then hell no. So look what it's doing. Isn't that gold trade against a higher time frame bias? Nope. 4 hours bearish and daily's bearish. I wouldn't be taking a trade if not. I wouldn't be taking this trade if the 4 hour was not with us. 7 minutes left of the 15. It'll be a salary play then, so don't really care. It's gonna be pretty good. 7 minutes time for GJ to close. Because of this time, 4 hour has only 38 minutes. Yeah, I know, I don't like that. It's fucking weird, isn't it? It's a bit odd. And the good thing is with sell stops is you don't have to worry about getting in. It's just there for you. You don't have to rush it. And if it does come up and like close above, we don't get faked out and we don't get hit. Like people entering on these candle closures here, you know, being some serious drawdown now, whereas, you know, you're wanting the top wick and then the drive down, because, you know, we know most candles especially in the 15-minute, have a top wick and a bottom wick. So now I am in a perfect time here because I know if this comes here, you know, we have like an 85% chance it's gonna hit my entry, and then it's gonna make a lower wick. So when that lower wick pushes off, stops to break even, and hopefully you can rally it back down to them lows for sure. Take a look at the 5 minutes. 5 minutes are, you know, getting weaker, which is what I like to see. It's had a bit of a pullback, tap the zone I wanted to reject. So this is nice. I like this. If I leave this trade, then this is good, and I'll be leaving no more trades for the session unless GJ presents me with something. But the good thing is, you can see I'm not asked with taking the loss. I'm not, you know, fresh. Gave it half an hour. 4 hour hasn't closed yet on gold. Previous was bullish. Do you go off current open candle? Yeah, the current open candle's bearish, rejecting the highs here. If it wanted to continue there, it would have, and it didn't. And now we've closed back in the zone. We've got a lovely closure back in the ranges over here. We should fill the ranges back up if we flip this candle. We subscribe you from India. Make profit for all people. People who were on my stream last week made a shitload of profit. Holy smokes. All Signals Group in Malaysia sell gold. Your thought? Yeah, I'm going to be selling gold too. And my zones for taking profits is like here, so 1790, and if you want to continue, 1788. It's going to be pretty juicy too, boy. So I'm not really too asked about the timing of the candles because this will be a salary play. So it'll be a salary play on the 15-minute, which is what this looks like. Like that. So when a 15-minute closes bullish, and then we get in on the exceeding the low, which will be here. Entry. I think your entry in the signal is wrong. Oh shit. Yeah, it is. 1 second. 18, not 80. Stop loss 139250. Yeah, wicked. There we go. Sorted it. So yeah, 88 here would be nice zone to fill for sure, boy. Oh, shut up, Dolly. My fucking dog's so loud. Look at this. I like the 5 minutes. Just, even though they're coming up, they're, you know, getting weaker and weaker, and if this closes back in the zone, then I'm going to be out, and I don't want it to be in this trade anymore. So it's really, really good. I can really manage it as the trade goes on. If it comes up and closes like above like this, then hell no, we're closing back out of this range. But because we are going to close below, I am still happy for this. Yeah, waiting for the 5 minute. Yeah, that's basically what my entry will be. This will be a 5 minute push for sure. So 4 minutes time for GJ as well. Are we going to get a closure below? If not, I am not touching it. I want the 30-minute and the 15-minute to close below. So you see, we got a 5 minute closing back in. So be careful. Don't be too greedy. Don't think you're going to break zones when you actually may not. So yeah, patience is a key, especially with GJ. You know, if you miss like the entries a bit higher up because you couldn't really get them here, then you have to be patient and wait for closures a bit lower down, which is fine. So this candle on gold over here pulling up, 3 minutes time for just close above, like I said. It's going to be interessante. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly's got 33 minutes left though. Pretty Gucci. But yeah. So GJ quite a small session at the moment, but still though, still waiting for this closure in 3 minutes time. And then what I'll be wanting is this next 30-minute to make a top wick and then exceed the wick. So, you know, like here, next one makes the top wick and then exceeds. I'll probably get in like right around here with stop loss above like there. That's what I'll be looking for on GJ. So I'm already planning what I want to see. That's what really helped me. You know, plan what you want to see, and if it happens, and you're like, oh shit, well I already planned this, and I know it works well, so great. So beautiful. It's exactly what I want. Look at the 5 minute. So my trade's being executed over here. Bob's your uncle. So yeah, we'll see. Beautiful. 30-minute coming down now. Needs to start to push, boy. How am I going to manage risk? Let's take a look at the 5 minute. If you do come up and maybe flip this 5 minute, I'll see around about this level. We've tapped this zone. I don't really want it to come and tap it again, so 50% take off. Wicked. So arrive on the zone, because look, this is where wicks for support kind of wick to here. This is where our trades wick to. I don't want it to be coming back up. You get me, boy, you get me. That's what I'm looking for over here. So hopefully this 5 minute can start to drive down, push into these next zones over here. Give me that sweet goodness on gold. Can we sell GJ? No, not yet. Give it one more minute. If it closes below, then nearly. You have to wait for the top wick though, and then the drive down. So I'm always thinking about how to manage the trade. So 7 pips will be taken off. So that'd be great. 7 pips, and then it's hitting like the 9-10 pip stop. It's gonna be like another 8 pips. So really managed it. So yeah, beautiful. Managed the trade with exactly what I wanted to see, with a flip exceeding tapping the zone I wanted it to reject and coming down, flipping. Nice. So nice. If you guys haven't entered yet, probably wait exceeding the low. Whatever floats your boat. Look at the 5 minute though. Oh, 5 minute looks juicy. 5 minute looks juicy over here, guys. Up around about 3 pips. Mm-hmm. 121 people watching the stream. I mean, amazing support from you guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. Helps me out considerably. Hope you can drop down to these next lows over here. So how am I going to put my stop loss to break even when we come back down to these lows? Because I'll be up right about 7-8 pips. That's where I'll be looking to put my stop loss to break even. So right around here, guys, stop loss to break even. Oh Lord, holy smokes, take some profits very soon over here, guys. Let's see where we're at now. Yeah, take some profits. Profit TP1 has just been hit over here, and we're continuing down. The bulls, amazing. So I'm gonna close half over here very soon. There we go. Wicked, guys. So there you go. Dubs in the chat. If you guys took that trade, congratulations. And that is a whole lot of gang shit. Beautiful. And we should continue down here with a lot of bearish pressure, which is what I'm wanting to see, guys. What I'm wanting to see. And there we go. Very easy. So risk-free trade. Stop loss to break even. TP1 hit. So you see how easy that was? Very easy. Simple kind of analysis. The 15-minute, beautiful, exceeding the lows, push down. W's in the chat, guys. Make sure to take some W's in the chat. Everyone on Zoom, congrats if you took that, bad lad. We should be continuing down to these lows. That's what I'm going to be taking off some next. Gorgeous, my boys. Gorgeous. Boys and girls, amazing. So, you know, upper right about 10 pips over here. Very nice. Was you not worried about the 30 you created a top wick? No, because you already rejected the highs. That's why I quite liked it. Already rejected them highs over here. So yeah, wicked. Mate, get some W's in the chat, guys. I'm gonna spam them W's. I want to spam them W's, man. Beautiful. So let me take a Instagram over here, guys. And hopefully I can hit some big TPs. I'm holding this bitch on. Spam the W's, guys. Spam the W's. I'm doing it for Instagram. Spam them W's. Let's go. Here we go. Amazing. So, well done, guys, for catching that. So you see, I gave it a 30-minute period of just chilling. You know, I don't want to be taking any silly trades. And then we're coming down nice. So yeah, there we go, man. W's in the chat all day, every day. We're up a good amount on air gold now. Let's go. Wicked. So congrats that people took that. Very, very simple. So where should it come to? It should come to these lows. That's where my targets are. For this setup, I got contradictions between celery, and if we waited 30-minute closure, it did not have a big upper wick too early in the candle. For sure, I think if that was it, my own thing was this 5-minute. The 5 minutes have been talked about a lot recently, and I think that if we would have missed that move, and you would have missed that move, the 30-minute for me, it was okay. At least it had a top wick. That's the only thing I really cared about. I wanted to have a top wick. We were rejecting the highs, so I wasn't too bothered to take that. Take that into consideration, sorry. So yeah, now I'm going to be leaving my runners to run, and hopefully we can continue down. My TPs are first one 1790, second one 1788, and then the third one 1781, which is the big one. So 1781, nice. Let's just move my TPs over here, guys. And there we go, Bob's your uncle. Very, very easy. Patience always pays off. Exactly, man. No point rushing it. Perfect time for this W. Got the school run now. See you at NY, bro. See you later, guys. So yeah, beautiful. So, you know, I taught that from start to finish. You know, I really, really liked it because we were rejecting the highs. We're coming up to where we were rejecting. We were pushing down. We're looking at the 5 minutes. 5 minutes rejecting, and then one little 5-minute candle, and there you go. So very, very simple, easy way to get in. So congratulations. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So make sure to like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Let's update our streams now. So I actually took off quite a bit over here. So trades called. My trade now is actually running pretty nicely. I got in on the flip like here. So right about like 13 pips. So, you know, I waited for candles to close back in the zone, and then there we go. Very, very tasty, guys. So hopefully we can continue back to these lows, and actually even furthermore to 1788. That'll be pretty fire. Look at the 4 hour now, closing in 23 minutes. Really, really big bearish movements. So yeah, gorgeous. So guys, make sure to spam that like button. I'm here every single day. You can ask questions all day and help you out. So yeah, always ask questions. Questions are the thing that will help you. So yeah, for GJ here, we didn't get a closure below. So we didn't get the closure below, and look what happened. The price came up and would have tapped you out. So be careful, you know, always wait for the closures. You know, this one here, we got a closure back in the zone, so I was really, really confident. And that's why I was happy to do the second trade. So yeah. $17.91.5, wicked. So yeah, beautiful. Hope everyone ate that on Zoom. So what else are we going to be looking for later on? What time is it though? I still got a lot of time. It's only 8:30. Wicked. It's only 8:30. That ain't too bad, boy. GG on its way down. Yep. In 7 minutes time, if we get a closure below, then yeah, for sure I'm going to be looking. I'm going to be looking at that. For sure. Gold coming back up now. Wicked. But done the move. That's all I care about. I got my profits. I had a little bit of a runner. That background music is chill as fuck. Chill as fuck, boy. So yeah, what am I waiting for now? I'm waiting for GJ to close below. 7 minutes time to get a closure. Could be pretty good. Let's see, 15, 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minutes just making the top wick to then potentially drive down, but still it hasn't closed below, so I have to be careful. So 6 minutes time. Let's see if we can. Yeah, my runner got tapped out over here. Bit of a pain in the arse, but cracking trade. So yeah, GU. People trying to trade GU, just chill, man. Max, we might have load shedding this side. How you manage your trades? I close them. So I manage them using magic keys. If you guys don't know what these are a risk management tool where I can close my trades with one click of a button. I highly recommend them. I'm actually going to be doing a review on them this week. That's one of my tasks to do. I'm not sure if I managed risk correctly, but I lost 8 pips in the first trade and made enough on the second trade to break even for the day. That's good though, Brandon. That's good. Maybe didn't hold on this gold one enough. Max wouldn't know what load shedding is in the UK. Yeah, I have no idea. So yeah, ranging on GU, that's completely fine. Gold over here just coming back up now. GA, making a little bit of support, but it's moved off a lot. Like, look at that. It's done really well. 5 minutes time. Ooh, this is looking juicy. This is looking juicy. You can see I'm not taking stupid trades. I'm waiting patiently for the moves to come to me. And if we get this closure in 4 minutes time, this is going to be the first candle that's going to close below. So that looks tasty. That looks tasty, you know what I'm saying? As long as you get a top wick. This has already made a top wick to reject them, so this top wick is probably going to be quite small. But we'll see, we'll see. So let's get my GJ sell. Ah, fuck, I deleted it, didn't I? Can the Magic Keyboard work on Apple MacBook? No, unfortunately not. Unless you've got parallels, like where you have Windows on it. It doesn't work, which is a bit of it's a big pain in the ass, to be honest. Like, so much so that I wanted to buy a laptop so I could live stream like wherever I wanted, like in the world. I could just go on holiday and shit and just still live stream. And I wanted to buy a Mac, and then I realized like I can't use Magic Keys on it, and then I'm like, well, fuck it, I'm not using it. I'd rather not buy a Mac and get a Windows one specifically because of Magic Keys. So that's how important I find them. I don't think I could trade without it. I'm not gonna lie. I literally don't think I could trade without it. Alfie, just set a small partition for Windows and use Magic Keys and M24 in it. Yeah, that's what I did. But I think on the new Macs, if they've got M1 chips, you can't do that at all, because it's just not coded with that. So if you have the new M1 chips, you literally can't take that, unfortunately. So let's just see 3 minutes time. See, where are you from in the UK? I'm from Newcastle. Regardless of whether 15-minute or 30-minute close, would you say it's way better to wait for the 4 hour on GJ? Yeah, so the 4 hour is closing 17 minutes time. That's great. So I do expect a top wick to form for sure. So that's good. Yeah, when you see that higher time frames are closing, the higher the time frame, the bigger the top wick mainly. So kind of be careful for that. Normally it may relax and then come later on. It's just weird because the 4 hours just changed because the clocks have gone back, etc. Come Malaysia, bro. Got cheap laptops. Cheap laptops. Oh. 65 like, guys. Amazing. Oh shit. Let me move this. There we go. So I'm up like 5 pips for the day. Pretty good. I actually put a double lot on that last gold trade because I was pretty confident with it. So yeah, I actually made a bit more than that, to be honest. And that was because the stop was 10 pip and I was very, very comfortable with it. So yeah, I took a double lot. So I made about £700 with that, which is pretty tasty. So a minute 40 time, guys, still not closing. Also, people in the YouTube, if you guys do want to come and join me for NY session and get mentored by me one-to-one on the live streams, you can ask me questions. We have drop-in sessions actually after this at 9:30. And you want some more kind of help, we do simulation sessions every week, we do webinars every week, and we have a really good quality streams on NY every single weekday. Make sure to come and join me. If you actually do the maths on how much it costs a day, it's really not a lot for what you're getting. So like for a month you get like 40 live streams, 4 webinars, 4 simulations, 4 drop-ins, and you can talk to me consistently. You can send me charts. Like it's pretty hands-on. So if you want to get that extra help, make sure to come and join. And as you said there, people in Telegram, you know, they're saying to me, where was it here? Yeah, honestly, myself and Ben would have been balls deep trying to make trades work tonight if it wasn't for what we have just learned from yourself. So that was an NY session. So yeah, boy.
Money well spent.
Yeah, boy. Ibs, you take that gold trade? You take both of them?
Nah, do you know what, mate? I needed a sleep, man. I've been getting up at 4 o'clock every day.
Jeez.
Got a lot going on, so yeah, moving office. So when things are done, I'm going to be back on. Come on and just say good morning.
He's a busy boy. He's a busy boy.
And we'll get Antonio Conte.
Yeah. Another manager, bro. You're going through managers like it's nothing. Like fucking hell.
Standard, mate. Standard.
Like managers are gonna be like, fuck no, I'm gonna get rinsed at your club. Like it's gonna. Like, you've had Mourinho. You're gonna have you had some other people as well. Which ones did you have? Oh shit, gold. You just need Pochettino back.
Yeah, that's still good.
Oh, 30 minute coming up. And Kane though, Kane should have left. I don't know why he stayed. But gentleman's agreement. No one gives a shit. Just fucking leave.
Yeah. To be honest with you, we should have cashed in out on him because
he's not worth nowhere.
He's playing like pants at the moment.
Yeah. Oh, I never rated him anyway. I'd never rated him. I just can't see it.
Yeah,
he's too slow. He's not aggressive. I don't know.
Between him and Dele Alli, I think they're the most overrated players in the Premier League.
So look, 15 minute over here, guys. Look, this is how disciplined I am. 15 minutes, just closed Doji in, not below. So for me, there's no trade. Especially with stuff like this, I need to be careful. So yeah, as I said, I'm waiting for this 13 minutes time to close. You get me, you get me.
I think we need to wait because in 30 minutes, 4 hours, we close too.
Yeah, exactly. And we need a big wick. And that. If this starts to fly now, though, that's great. That's not how I trade because, you know, this is what I say to people, right? If this flies down now, right? Just like this. If this flies down right now, oh shit, no, not gonna be white, is it? It's gonna be a red, right? People will go, oh Max, you know, I've gotten this move, amazing, right? Okay, that's really good, well done. But what people aren't looking at is this. Look, did you try it then? Did you try it there? Did you try it there? Did you try it there? And if you add up all the times there, you got wicked out 10 pips. You've lost fucking 40 pips, okay? So, you know, the one time it works is not worth the other 4 times you've already taken them as well, yeah? That's what I'm saying. So if this candle runs down right now, that's amazing. But also, you would have been trying to take back sells on this candle, on this candle, on this candle, on this candle, on this candle. So it's all about getting the correct setup. and taking sells here, you'd have been wicked out fucking 40 times. So, yeah, the one time it works does not count for the times it would have lost. Even though, you know, this time, oh, well, obviously it worked nicely this time. It's like, you know, you obviously probably lost a lot of money on this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So just chill out. You need the closures most of the time. You only can get, you know, impulses like this if it's 8 o'clock, you've already made the top wick of the hourly, and you're exceeding lows, and this is the first time you're exceeding lows. When you start seeing wicks like this, it's not a time to take impulses at all. You're just going to be slapped. Nice. I live in Portugal, man. Since Sunday with change of the hourly, I still need to adapt to it. 4-hour close at 9 AM and NY open at 12 AM. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Portugal. Wow, I like Portugal. Who do you think the best player in the world right now is? Oof. Probably have to give it to Salah, to be honest. Do you know who I really rate though? I rate Haaland like ridiculously. I think he's class. I think Mbappe is good as well. Just from last week, Ronaldo's finish was top class. Like, that finish was fucking amazing. I'm sorry, you never see Messi do that.
Was that against us?
What?
Was that against us?
Yeah. Did you see it?
Yeah.
It's a fucking good goal.
I saw that live. I saw that live, man.
You saw it live? I wish I was there. I've never seen Ronaldo play in real life, man. Fuck. It was a class goal. That was a proper dub. That was a proper W, that. Salah, yeah, I'd say Salah is probably the best. I'd say he's doing pretty well, isn't he? Like, what's the top scorer? Yeah, let's take a look over here. Yeah, he's got 10 goals. I think he's, you know, he's not the most interesting to watch because he did that, to be fair, he did a lot of dribbling, but for me, he doesn't really take many long shots. He mainly taps it in, but he gets in the right positions. That's what you're meant to do, innit? So Harry Kane's been smashing Golden Boot consistently. Yeah, not this year. How many goals has he scored this year? 1. Look at Ronaldo, still there, bless him. So let's take a look over here. So Ronaldo, he's chilling. 5th in the Premier League at that age. Now let's take a look at the Farmers League. What's it called? French. Where's Messi? Where's Messi at? Oh shit, he can't do it in another team. Ah, yes. Mbappe's there though. Mbappe's there, 5 goals, nice. Check Haaland's stats. Yeah, Haaland's stats. I mean, every time I go on YouTube for watching his games, he scored like fucking 3 goals. He's aggressive as hell as well. I think he's sick. Worst Tottenham business of the decade, not selling Kane. I know, I don't know why they didn't sell Kane. Like, do you know how much money that can get you? Like, they could have sold him for like 130, 140. You could have bought a new fucking team. Mount is a real goat. I can't say he is. I think Foden is miles ahead of him. I think Foden is just different gravy. Foden, when he comes on that pitch, he just lights that shit up. Oh, it's amazing. Check goals for Haaland. I say this season. Bundesliga, 9 goals. Champions League 1. Yeah, wow. Pretty good. 9 goals. GJ gonna close? Yeah, potentially, yeah. Nice solid closure like that. Oh! Juicy. But remember, I need to be waiting for this nice top wick on the 4-hour to enter. CR7 is way more complete than Messi, yeah. Benzema is so underrated. He's always there. He's class. 69 likes, guys. If you guys have enjoyed the stream, lovely morning, you've entered the trades like me, make sure to like the stream, guys. Really, really helps me out. It helps me out for the giveaways as well. If you guys do like giveaways, it helps me out considerably. So nice closure. I'm not rushing in though because, you know, the 4 hours closing here. The 4 hour needs to make a top wick. Well, how big was the last 4 hour wick? 14 pips. So I'm going to be a bit cautious, waiting for this nice top wick. Dave, don't you ever swear like that again. Max, can you quick explain gold sell trade? Yeah. So, you know, closure back in the zone over here. Waited for the top wick, and then the flip. This had no bottom wick. It then flipped just before the candle closed. It was a celery play then, and then just pushed down. Look at the 5 minute rejected in the highs, came down. Bobby's uncle. Looks like price is coming back up now though. Holy smokes. But I've already taken a lot on gold, and look at this now. The wicks, there's so many wicks. I'm gonna be chilling. Gonna be looking at GJ over here. Oh, GJ, wait up, boy. Yeah, 4 hour finish in 10 minutes. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm waiting for this top wick. So, where do I want it to come? I want it to tap the zone that we were going to be rejecting and then flip. That could be the trade for me. So at the moment, if we do get a top wick right around that area, it's going to be 12 pips. So it's quite a big stop loss. Oh, don't push down further, you pitch. No! Ah, wow. Well, I just did that move. Unfortunately, I can't get into that. Unless it retraces in the next 5 minutes. Hopefully we can. Let's take a look then. How many subscribers are on now? We only got like 2 bells today, I think. 1,387. If you guys haven't subscribed, what are you guys doing? Make sure you just subscribe, like the button. Yeah, Ronaldo, he saved a lot of fucking games recently, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, look at this. Holy smokes. Look at that 5 minute no top wick just diving. Oh my god. No! GU's getting a closure over here though. If you guys trade GU, as long as you wait for the top wick and the flip, could be quite nice to continue. I don't trade GU really, but I think people who do could be quite nice. Breaking of the zones. Clean candles here really to continue down. Could be quite nice. No, you've pushed down way too far. So you see, like sometimes, this is what I just talked about before, sometimes you miss the move. And the reason is because look at these wicks, like this one move still wouldn't cover all of your losses here. So I don't care, like I wanted a closure right around like this area. And this can still do that with a wick down, and then the top wick, and then the flip, and then boom! But getting in early is a very, very risky business. And even here it looks nice. You would have been wicked out 400 times on the others, so don't worry about that. So if you guys have been patient and not taking any impulses, make sure to drop a good cheeky like. 106 people in here. Damn, son. Yeah, gold now for me is looking quite wild. So 8 o'clock pull down, at 9 o'clock is going to be closing maybe above this range. Oh yes, it's retracing a bit. Nice. Come on, retrace to like here. And get a nice 10 pip stop. And then fly down, boy. So looking at on the hourly perspective, it is pretty bearish today. Look at the zone. The only thing is that I've seen is it's just tapped this. So I don't really want to be getting in right around 870. I want to be getting in a bit higher. And that is what I will do. And if not, if we keep on pushing down here, then I probably won't take any trades, because the 4 hours is going to be, the top wick's going to be huge if it comes back to the next zone. It's going to be like 20 pips, so I'm going to be chilling. GU, yes. We're going to subscribe here. Thank you, Mike, for subscribing. 2 minutes left. Closure. GA just chilling. Not much resistance. Not much support really forming. It's quite a weak support. Gold is coming up though, mind you. 5 minute closing back up over here. Damn. Let's just get rid of this take off 50% line. Take this one off. Take this one off. Take a look over here. Yeah, I'm wanting closures above. Yeah. I think that'll be safer for me for sure.
Are you going for a sell on GJ?
I think we missed it, to be honest. It's pushed down too far. Pushed down a bit too far.
What about if it goes? What about if it
flies,
and then goes back down again?
I probably still won't do it. It's pushed down way too much for me. Pushed way down too much. It's coming towards my TP2, which, you know, it needs to close in to then fill up the range. But I think, unfortunately, we've missed that move. The 30-minute looked pretty good. So here, closing, but didn't really close below. So I was waiting patiently, and I didn't want to get hit out over here. Wow. Look at this. This looks like news now. These 1 minute candles. Holy shit. Holy smokes, it's flying. Take a look to see if there's any news.
It's gonna come back up.
Mate, that's already hit TP2. It's gonna be hitting TP3. It's already done that in the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes of that candle. So that was the move I wanted to catch, but there was no closure, there was no confirmation. Now where we're coming to 4-hour kind of relax over here and support. It's done the move I wanted to do with these clean candles. Unfortunately, it didn't close nicely for me. And I explained like 15,000 times why I couldn't enter here. And it's pretty obvious. You just look at the wicks. I'm not entering another wick trade unless you get the closure below. Okie dokie, and that's just from repeating this 1,000 times. Look, this candle here came down with the wicks rejecting again, so I'm not going to be taking them just impulsively. I want the closure below, and we didn't get the closure that I wanted. Especially even this 50-minute, you know, we closed down here, didn't close below, and then this one came up and closed doji. Like, that's not good price action. I'm not having that. So I leave it. I leave it. But it should continue down over here. But for me, like, where's your stop going to be? Where's your thing going to be? The 4-hour is just opened. It's going to be making top wicks to then maybe continue down later. Maybe later on in the session we could take a look. But right now it's still continuing down over here. There's no trade to get in. GU also closed below, but for me it needs the top wick to then continue back down. Because getting in now, this is the hourly, sorry, the 4-hour closure, the hourly closure. It needs to make the top wick first, then continue down. So yeah, look at that, still continuing down now. There's absolutely no way I can get entries at all. Can we sell? Go for it. I've just told you, explained to you why I can't really sell now. We've hit my TPs, we've hit the supports where it could reject. We've already ran down like 40 pips in the space of like fucking 10 minutes. So if you're thinking like you really want to take a trade here, I think you maybe want to feel a bit FOMO over here. You got that 30-minute dog tail. Wow, look at that. A lot of momentum. Sheesh. And yeah. Ooh, look at gold. The hourly. Closing bullish again. Ooh. There's just a lot of traffic here to the left though, with the 15-minute. It's a bit annoying. I think we can sell, but you have to be a Cobra. Yeah. Well, clearly you can sell, but I just don't know where your stops would be, how you would take profit. I just think it's we just missed the move. And the move there wasn't there for me. You know, missing a move would be if this candle over here and the 30-minute closed like this. next one makes a top wick, and then the drive down, I would enter. Because you didn't get that, I don't want to take it, because I know if I repeat that setup 1,000 times, I ain't gonna get an 80% win rate. I might get a 50. So fuck that shit. This 15's closed above over here. Should continue back up to these highs. I mean, extra entries in gold could be nice. It's making the lower wick here. Damn, son, because that's really, really strong. So that really is rejecting these lows. Continuing up could be an option. I think you can sell, but you have to be a Cobra. Just 10 pip regardless of the left. Yeah, but you always have to look for left, because that's where, you know, that's where price has been before. So how's it going to react now? Always need to look left. People will get slapped if they don't look left. I'm like it. So,
see you later, brother.
Are you leaving? See you later, bro.
Yeah.
See you later, man. Busy boy. See you later, bro.
Bye.
Peace out. 16 pips to the highs. I like how we've closed above here. Look at the 5 minute. Let's see where the 4 hour close. Yeah, the 4 hour close bullish. The hourly close bullish. Okay. If we make a nice lower wick over here to continue, it may take that. It's only a 5 pip stop loss. A 5 pip lower wick though, kind of want a bit bigger. Look at the 5 minutes starting to flip though. It's got 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Oh, it's gonna do it. You could even have your stop loss actually on the 4 hour flip over here. That could be nice. That could be juicy. So coming down, it's got 24 minutes. I might actually take this gold buy, I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty fucking sexual. If you do flip and continue. Interessante. I would like the wick to be a bit smaller, but yeah, I got buy stops. Not smaller, sorry, bigger. I think it could be a good option though to continue up. We've closed above over here. We should continue up. Look at the 30 minute. Look at that strong candle rejecting the lows. So I may actually take this over here. I want it to make a little bit of a lower wick. Here we go. Here we go. Right, okay. If 5 minute rejects lows and breaks highs, yep. Then continue. Okay. So get rid of this now. Do 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 do. Yeah, I think this is pretty sexual. We've got the closure above, you know, nice, a lot of volume on gold as well. So I'm just writing this over here. It's making the lower wick for the first, you know, times in the candles. That's what I'm liking. So yeah, C 1794. So when I put in the signal guides for Zoom, make sure to just do it on the highs, exceeding the highs, you know, taking the spreads into account, all that kind of stuff. It's just different for every single person, but I'm just basing it on the trading view, so it makes sense for you guys. 1734. So I kind of want to do it on the low over here. So I've got a really nice stop. This is my third trade, so I'm not really too asked about all that kind of stuff. So it's only 96. 1798 to continue bullish. So 4875. So making the lower wick. Gorgeous. Yeah, at the moment the stop is pretty tight. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, a 5 pip stop. Oh. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. A 5 pip stop though for the third trade. I'm happy with that. I won't be managing this trade though, so because the stop's so small anyway. I'm trying to see if I could put it anywhere else, but I think that's fine. I don't really want it to come any lower than that, so for sure. 78 likes, guys. We've done amazing this stream. Beautiful. Don't FOMO, my friend. I'm the FOMO and I've got my stop here. I'm not missing out. Oh well, just waiting for 4-hour closure. Not trading today. We've got a good 3 days ahead of us. Thanks for the stream. See you tomorrow. Yeah, for sure, man. See you tomorrow. Yeah, GJ here. It's pushed way too far for me now to take trades. I want it to close like around about here, wait the top wick, and then the drive down. Gold over here. I'm waiting for this low wick to form and then to continue. Look at the hourlies. We've closed above. This is looking pretty juicy. We normally know a lot of volume comes in at 9 o'clock for gold. I've actually seen most of the good moves at London and normally at 9 o'clock, so pretty good. And because we've got such a nice stop here, very happy. To then ride this bitch all the way back up to the tops over here. And then to potentially continue further. Just gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. 1 second. One hour high break, 4-hour flip, 30-minute high, and 15. Yeah, man. That's what I like. That's just what I like. It's based on the 30 minutes. So I'm going to be moving my stop loss to below the low. So at the moment it's 10 pips, which is wicked. So I'll change that on the signal. Yeah, I'm really liking how that candle just came. It was like, nope, we are not coming down any further. You know, I could just see this hourly. It's just making the lower wick, and when we do stop pushing up, oof. It's only the first 11 minutes of the candle over here, so pretty tasty. That's what I like, chicks over stripes. So 3 minutes time for this 15. That's what I expect. So normally what I tell people is, you know, the start of the hourlies, they always make bigger lower wicks. You know, doesn't really affect me. I'm looking more at the 30-minute and the hourlies. 30 minutes closed above, the hourlies closed above. The 4-hour is bearish right now because it's the new one. Let me move this, but when we enter it'll be on the flip, so very nice. I don't want to miss this opportunity. When I've got the previous 15 a bit higher than the current 15 candle, you got yours above that wick. Yeah, on my IC markets I see that as well. I've just got it on the flip really. Anyway, we're in that area, and yeah, hopefully we can get this very soon. If you close below 1793, we retest 1792. Yeah, if you close below 1793, we'll retest 1790 maybe, and 1792 for sure. Close to 930. No, this is fine. So yeah, as I said, my stop will be in this low now, which is 10 pips, which is fine. Which is beautifully fine.
Dios, si tú estabas trabajando ahí.
No, es que hoy no sé. Primeros 2 días de noviembre, no. Estoy aprendiendo ya.
I got some Spanish in here. Sí, ¿cómo estás? GJ is retracing nicely. Yeah, we know volume kind of dies down for GJ around about this time though. That was the move. I think now trying to get in would be forcing a trade for GJ. However, gold, I see a lot of moves at 9 o'clock, so we'll just see. 60 minutes left. If this candle gives me like 5 minutes, 4 minutes left, I'm maybe just going to leave it. I want it to kind of start to flip very, very soon. So I'll give it another like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Because the timing of the candles is really, really important. I want it to start moving, you know, towards the last half of the candle. So when it's pushing for the last half, then closes above, and it's just a lot better. So yeah. Still got volume for gold. Spreads about 1 on IC. Yeah. Still a lot of volume for gold for sure. Look at this hourly though. Like, oh, bro, 1798 could be pretty good. $18.03. Ooh. 18.03. Holy smokes! I just like that nice hourly. It came all the way down, rejected these lows now. Oof. Pretty goody. So getting the 15 close, not really too bothered. It has closed back in the zone, that's fine. But if you do exceed, I'm mainly focusing on the 30-minute. 50-minute is less confirmation, so not too bothered. I think if we exceed this low here, I'm going to take it off though, because I mean my stop's quite big. So at the moment it's around about 10-12 pips. If it's anything more, I want to chill. Do 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 do. 5 minutes looking good, eh? Do 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 do. 5 minutes good, eh? Yeah, as I said, after this, guys, I'm going to be doing the drop-in session. So if you have any questions, make sure to just stay on the Zoom after. What's your take on GJ? I think GJ was bearish. It's done the move, and now I'd wait until NY to probably do this. I'll wait for NY to, you know, continue up with a bit of relaxing. Then you'll wait for a bearish closure like this, and then enter like that to continue it down. That's what I would do now. That always happens. Normally the big push goes through London and then NY continues the push, but it just needs a bit of a retrace between 9:30 and 11:30. That's what we talk about all the time. Down, 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 down. Let's see if we take this trade. This will be the last trade of the London over here. Oh shit, I got entered in. What the fuck? Oh, my spread's got me in. Holy shit. Holy smokes. Oh, did it? Activated. Did you guys get activated or not? Nah. Mine says, but let me just open IC. Oh no, mine hasn't yet. It's all goody. It's all goody. I'm above that 15 wick, yeah. So am I, so that's good. It look, I saw in here. I was like, oh shit, they're gonna start pushing over here. Let's see if we can continue then. Let's see. Hopefully. 15 doesn't have a bottom wick though, which is a bit annoying. Got 12 minutes left though. Quite a lot of time. Look at the hourly though. Whoa! Get running, boy. Get running, boy. I've been active in FTMO spreads, yeah. FTMO spreads aren't the best, I don't think. Let's see. Max, what should I look for the confirm on the GU? Ooh. So for now, it looks like it's coming back in the zone, which is a bit of a pain in the arse on the 15 minute. So for me, it's probably going to be waiting for another 15 to close back out the range, possibly. Yeah, same. Mine's activated as well. So how am I going to manage risk? Let's take a look on the 5 minutes. So we're in this trade now over here. Stop loss is here. 10 pip stop. Beautiful. I think if we flip that 5 minute here, don't really want it to come back below here. So I think I'm going to take off 50% here. So 50% off at this point. Wicked. Take 50% off at 1794.081. And how do you continue? So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. If we come back down here, we're making some support in the 5 minute. If we come back to here, I'm taking off 50% for sure. And that is going to be at a beautiful kind of time over here. Just at 7 pips, which is beautiful, just like before. This is the celery play on the 15 and the 30 minute flip. The hourly flip, the 4 hour flip. So we should be pushing up over here. If not, I'm going to manage risk and we're going to be chilling. We're going to be chilling, boy. So all I'm looking at is how to manage it. I'm getting ready to close half at that time. That's all I'm looking for, boys. We want the push, which we're wanting for the hourly. But if it can't continue, then we'll have to chill and look how to manage risk. It's 5 minutes. It's got 4 minutes left. Hopefully we can flip and continue. Are you in a bar? Yes. Yeah, boy. Because this is my 3rd trade, I probably don't even want to exceed the low. So I'm actually going to move my full stop loss to here now. I think I wouldn't want it to come back and flip this 5 minute because I'll be rejecting the high. So I'm going to move my stop loss. Move full stop loss to 1794.081. That is what I'm doing because it's my 3rd trade. I want this price to push off now. If we don't get the push and we start to fanny on in the zone, I want to be out, and that's going to be really, really good managing trade over here. It's going to be actually perfect. Really, really solid. 8 pips stop. Whoa! 8 pips stop for like fucking 30 pips over here if we start continuing. If we break up these highs, we are continuing nicely, so pretty solid. Down, 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 down. So 5 minutes, got half the time left. It should start flipping very, very soon. Gold sells 1792. Yeah, if you get in 1792, for sure. Damn, 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 damn. Wow, 80 likes, guys. We're doing really, really good in the likes. Try and get them likes up. Try and get 100 likes. 100 likes for the stream. Cracking. And if you come down and reject, then great. I'm going to be managing my risk again. If you run off, it's going to be beautiful. We're going to run off pretty nicely to the next zones for sure. So this is actually my full stop loss now. So let's get rid of this. It's taking its time and taking its time. Really good start to the week though. I mean, yesterday was very, very slow, but now there's a lot of volume coming in, so I'm pretty happy. Yeah, look at GJ. GJ just chilling over here, starting to vibe a little bit. So stop loss. A stop loss is here. 17 and 94.1. I don't want it to flip that 15. I want it to continue pushing bullish. I want it to continue bullish, please. Goldilocks. Goldilocks, give me the goods, Goldilocks. And if not, let me manage my risk. Can we buy GJ? Hell no. If you buy GJ, you're looking for a death wish. It's taking so long. Come on, give me that fucking push. Give me that push, boy. Could you go over a little why you bought gold? Yeah, because the 30 minutes closed above resistance. Look, I'll show you here. So 30 minutes closed above this resistance that I marked. We should continue. Look at the rejection from the lows. We're making some support to then continue bullish. That's what I expect price to do. Look at the hourly. The hourly closed bullish as well above the zone. The 4 hour closing bullish, made the lower wick, just flipped now. That's why I'm in it. It's taking its time though. But they are all the things. Should you enter now on gold? If you want to. Maybe if you can see the highs. Like here. If you guys haven't entered yet, probably there. Yeah, for sure. Oh my god, what's happening on the 1 minute? Hurry up! There we go. Come on, 1 minute. Fucking blast off, you pussy. Get me into blue. Get me into blue! So I've recorded this whole session so I can put on some clips on Instagram. If you guys haven't followed my Instagram as well, make sure to do so. Follow that bitch. So down about 1 pip over here. It's chilling. Still though, how long we got left on the 50 minute? 3 minutes left, not too bad. The 15's got 3 minutes left too. So I'm a bit cautious that I want it to start to run off. What was my TP? Well, first of all, we always take off a nice 10 pips. So that'll be right on these highs over here. And then continue furthermore with runners. I think we could really hit 1796, 1798, and then hopefully 1803 if we really want to hold them for that long. There we go, we've got the break now. Come on, boy, give me that push. Almighty push. Ah, you pussy. At least it's broke the high now, though. Oh, look at the 5 minute. That's a bit annoying. It's a bit annoying. Bit annoying coming down over here. Look at that 5 minute closing. Bit of a pain in the asshole. Didn't close above, which is rather frustrating. It's fine. I'm up, down about 3 pips. Kind of happy with that. We'll see. Hopefully this 2 minutes can pull up a bit more. I'm happy with this 8 pip stop though. So face not bothered, boy. Face not bothered. Let's see GJ. GJ is still continuing. No, just chilling. It's just chilling. It is nearly 1/2 now. Wow, holy shit. 1/2. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Ah, GG, gold over here. You playing with me. That was looking so nice to continue. And now chilling. But the good thing is, right, when this comes and hits my TP, not my TP, my stop loss, is that our winners on gold are very, very big. So when we take some losers over here, they are very, very managed beautifully. That's pain, almighty push. Yeah, really rejecting them highs. Damn, son, come on. But very, very happy with the stop. Like a 7-8 pip stop, boy. With all that gains that we could get, especially for the higher time frames, like really pushing up this 4 hour. Oof. It's 4 hour on our side. But if not, that's good. We're managing the trade as we go on because we've moved the stop loss twice already. Cracking stuff, mate. My take profit is always 10 pips, guys. Come on, you know that. 58, just like here. Stop loss to break even around this area, to be honest, and then hopefully we can continue. 5 minute pulling back up. Now explode. So now I'm actually going to tighten my stops even more. I'm going to put it under this 5 minute. I don't want it to come back and exceed that low. So tightening my stops even further to get a good stop loss. Why would I want it to come back down even further? I wouldn't. So moving stops now to 1794. Well, on my thing it's like 1.5. It's actually 2 over here. Because why do I want that 5 minutes to come back? So from a 10 pip stop loss, sorry, a 12 pip stop loss, we've now got it to 6 pips. So that's what you got to do, man. Always manage the trade. Why would you hold on the same stop loss down here when things aren't going right? I still want to be in this trade because I still think it's valid, but I also want the push. And if it doesn't give me the push and we hit out here, I'm fine taking a fucking like absolutely tiny stop loss. So that's what I'll do. Bam bam bam. Bam 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 bam. 30 minute close doji. It's okay. I'm happy with the stop though, so I don't care where it goes. I think I have to hit it with a resignant. I need Bob Marley in this bitch, but unfortunately YouTube does not let me. YouTube does not let me. Where's Bob Marley in this bitch? So exceeding the highs now, guys. There we go. But you know, that's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Risk management to the T. If you come back here, why would I want to keep the trade on? I want it to blast off, and if it doesn't do that, then hell no, boy. Like what it's doing now. It's making the lower wick. 50 minute close bullish though, so that's pretty good. 97 people in at 9:30 as well. Sheesh, we've had like 100 people consistent, man. That's huge. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. Let's try and hit 90 likes by the end of the stream. I've shown you how to correctly mismanage. I've shown you how to get into trades with high probability. I've told you how to manage trades properly. Oh, and we're down over here. We're out. Look at that pull down. Holy shit. So we're out. We're out. Had a beautiful loss. So let's take a look over here. I just took the smallest loss. Wait, I didn't even get in here. I got in here. So a 5. Wait, what was it? 5 pip loss. Beautiful.
It's the bet at flies now.
Yep. It's all good. It's all good. But no, this is what I said, you know, why would you hold that whole thing on here? You know, you have to manage it like that. It's coming down over here now, and you know, your major TP could be hitting here. So I wanted that 30 minute to flip. So so this candle right here, this 30 minute, I want it to come down, flip, and exceed, and push. We got entered in the flip, which is completely fine, and I wanted that push. Normally it happens straight away. Sometimes when there's volume not there and the day's a bit shit, we don't. But you know, that doesn't mean hold on the same stop loss. You know, really tighten your stop. So you know what we did there was our stop loss was, where was it? Our stop loss was here. We first of all had a big stop here, which is 10 pips. We then moved it to the low of the 15 here. Okay, so we've already saved ourselves like 3 pips there. Then we moved it even closer to here. So, you know, giving ourselves room to still work, but if it doesn't want to, we are managing it. So now we'll be in some drawdown, it'll be a pain in the ass. And yeah, gold's just a bit chalked over here. Let's take a look at GJ's. GJ's still coming. Yeah, GJ relaxing, but you know, later on we're going to get some nice moves through NY. Will he get another chance? Probably not. I've already given gold too many chances today, bless it. Look at this candle now, looking a bit like a Tesco barcode. So when you see that, just leave it. You should wait for a 50-minute. No, because I got the so someone said you should wait for a close up of previous 15-minute candle. I got the 30-minute close, so I got a higher time frame. I got the hourly as well and the 4-hour. So I got a higher time frame than just a 15-minute. This one here, I was already in this trade with the flip. But couldn't continue. Take it as time. The hourly though still got 26 minutes left. If people do want to re-enter, that could be potential, but it may happen later on. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the YouTube here, guys, because I need to do the drop-in session. So make sure to come and join the drop-in session if you haven't already. Use dynamic, lot size, or static. I use just a static, but I just cut my half loss. So I use dynamic, yeah. But yeah, guys, thank you very much on YouTube. People in Zoom, if you guys want to stay in for a drop-in session, if you guys have any questions, but if not, I'll see you at NY session. So thank you very much, YouTube. 2 losses, 1 wins, all good, managing the trades beautifully. And our loss over here was 6 pips, so we've actually taken a minus 14. Oh, it's actually 5 pips. So we've actually taken, let's move this over here. Let me do this. We did a gold. Minus 5 pips. So actually, we've actually breaking even. And let me check my thing if we actually have breaking even over here. 1 second. So this is what it looks like. Let me see my trading. Yeah, so I'm minus £20, which is basically break even. Wow, that's great. Amazing risk management. So well done, guys. Beautiful. Catch you NY. See you later session. Yep, beautiful. See you later, guys. Thank you very much, YouTube. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Look at this now, ranging. Oh, not good, not good. But thank you very much, showing you how to manage your trades effectively. So peace out, guys. Thank you very, very much. See you in the next one. Right, that's